figure given. Figure given. So first, what is the first step? Free bending moment diagram. That is free bending moments we calculate. First span I'll take it as M1 because here it is fixed support. I am taking a dummy span OA. Whenever fixed in a theorem of three moments, I'll take a dummy span. So M0 will be 0. M1. M1 means this AB span. What is the formula? WAB by L. W is how much? 50 into 2 into 3 by 5. That is coming to be 60 kilonewton meter. Then M2. M2 WL square by 8. 18 into 4 square by 8. That is 36 kilonewton meter. Now what is the extra thing what we are doing here is, now we will take moment about C, we will not take it as 0, we will take it as 20 into, this is 1 meter given. So 20 into 1, clockwise, from this side clockwise is negative. So I will write here MC is equal to minus 20 into 1 minus 20 kilonewton meter. So instead of writing 0, if it is nothing, though this portion is not there, if this overhanging portion is not there, then you should have written here 0. So first I will draw the here now. This is 60, there is no load. So no load means linear. Now 36 UDL, it will be at the center. So this is 36 and this is 20. So 20, this is 20. Okay, these are the free bending moment diagrams. Then second step, what is our second step here? To find out the moment of areas. Second step. So second step I will write moment of areas. Moment of areas I am writing. So span wise I should take it here. OA and AB. This is OA and AB I am taking. OA and AB. So OA dummy span. So I can write A0 X0 is equal to 0. Then I'll write A1 X1. What is the shape of this one? Triangle. So half into 5 into 60. Then centroid. Centroid I told OA and AB. So for this span you want to take from A, O, and this from you want to take from B. So from the B, from the right side. Right side means I told L plus B by 3. What is L here? 5. B is 3. L plus B by 3. So that we will get it as from 350. Okay, we take it as from 350. Then over first span. Then we'll go to the second span. What is the second span? AB and BC. AB and BC. From A, you want to take it. From C, you want to take it. So I will write here A1 X1, same half into 5 into 60. Here from where I am taking? From where I am taking, I want to take from A. Please all of you concentrate here. I want to take from A. So from A means from left side. Left side L plus A. L plus A by 3. So L plus A by 3. I got here 350. Then A2 X2. A2 X2 is parabola. Parabola, what is the area? 2 by 3 into 4 into 36. Then parabola is symmetric. If you take from B or if you take from C, it will be half of that one only. That is 4 by 2. So I got here 192. So moment of area is over. Clear? Then I'll go to now 5 plus 2 by 3. So third step is theorem of three moments. So third step, theorem of three moments. Third step is theorem of three moments. Same. What are the spans I'll take? OA and AB I'll take first. So using formula M naught L naught plus 2MA L naught plus L1 plus MB into L1 is equal to 6 A naught X naught by L naught plus A1 X1 by L1. Clear? So M naught L naught. What is M naught L naught? This is 0. This is also 0. Then this is also 0. And what I will do? 2MA L1. L1 is how much? 5 meter plus MB. MB into L1. L1 is again 5 meter is equal to 6 into A1 X1. A1 X1 400 by 5. So this A1 X1 you want to take from OA and AB span. OA and AB span I am taking. So this is 400, not 350. This is 400. Okay, this is 350. So you want to take that 400 by 5. I will get here one equation 10MA plus 5NB is equal to 480. That is, I'll take it as equation number 1. Then we'll go for other span AB and BC. AB, BC, I'll write here MA L1 2MB L1 plus L2 plus MC into L2 is equal to 6 into A1 X1 by L1 plus A2 X2 by L2. Clear? MA. MA into L1. L1 is 5 meters plus 2MB. L1 is 5 meters. L2 is 4 meters. Okay, L2 is, you can see here, 4 meters. So instead of MC, what should I write now here? Minus 20. So minus 20 into 4 is equal to 6 into whatever we got here. With this AB and BC, whatever the A1 X1, A2 X2, that I should write it. 350 and 192. So 350 by 5 plus 192 by 4. If you solve this one, 5 MA plus 18 MB is equal to this 80 minus 80. This if you go to this side, it will become plus. So if you do that one, got 708. Using calculator, solving 1 and 2, you'll get the value of MA 32.9 kilonewton meter. Then MB is equal to 30.19 kilonewton meter. If you draw the bending moment diagram, 32. So what we will take here? We'll take here 32.9. This is 32.9. Then 30 point. Okay, 30.19 I got it. 30.19. 19. So you want to join here, then from here to here 20. This is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. This is your bending moment diagram. Then we'll go for the SFD. For SFD, what should I write? I want support reactions. I want support reaction. For support reaction, we should draw here. We'll take it as VA, then VB1. Because I'll get here VB2, VC1. Yes, please, Kailan. VC1. I'll take here VC2. Overhanging portion separate I am taking. 40 kilonewton, that is 20. Okay. 20 kilonewton, this is 1 meter. This is UDL. This is UDL. 18 kilonewton per meter. 4 meter. And this is 50 kilonewton. 2 meter. 3 meter. So MA how much you got? 32.9. MB 30.19. Here 30.19. Okay. Here how much you have taken? 20. Clear? Then we can go for sigma MA is equal to 0. Say MA is equal to 0 minus VB1 into 5 minus VB1 into 5 plus 30.19, then plus 50 into 2. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. This minus 32.9 anti-clockwise. Then we'll get the value of VB1. I got 19.46 kilonewton. Then sigma f of y is equal to 0. VA minus 50 plus VB1 is equal to 0. Substitute the value of VB1, will get VA is equal to 30.54 kilonewton. This is over. Then I'll come to here. Moment about B is equal to 0. So this is B, this is C, this is B, this is A, this is C, this is D. So moment about B is equal to 0 minus VC1 into 4 plus 20, then plus 18 into 4 square by 2 clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. Minus 13.19 is equal to 0. So if you do the calculation, you will get VC1 33.55 kilometer. Then we will go for sigma f of y is equal to 0. VB2 minus 18 into 4 plus VC1 is equal to 0. Then if you substitute the value of VC1, we will get VB2 is equal to 38.55 kilonewton. Here, only simple here. Only you can take f of y is equal to 0. VC2 minus 20 is equal to 0. VC2 is equal to 20 kilonewton. So what I told, first you take VA, then VB, like that I told it. VA, VB1, you take VA first, positive, negative, then positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, like that I told it. So you can take here for drawing the shear force diagram. First VA positive. Positive how much I got? 30.54. Then negative, that is 19.46 19.46. Positive, negative, then positive. Here you got 38.55. Again negative. Okay, 33.45. Then again positive. How much you got? 20. Then how to join this? There is no load from between these two. There is no load. Understood? Oh, I told you here, na 19.46. So no load. Here also no load. Then here 38.55. Here what should I do? Because it is UDL, you want to join with a linear. And here from here to here no load, so 20. So this is your